Get ready with me. Today. Buti na lang dadaan na dito, hindi na ako mababayan. Ay, mababayan pa rin ako kasi pehoy lang.
Good morning, mister. Good morning, sister. I've been gone for quite some
Stress ako
time.
na. Pero, meron ako.
If I look any older,
Actually, ang purpose ko, kaya ako mababayan,
if I've seen
talaga, is mag-deliver sana ako nun. But,
voices,
sabi nila, daanan na lang daw nila here. So, nabawasan yung agenda ko today.
than I was before.
Nakita ko sa isda. Alam niyo po, grabe natatouch ako kasi nabanggit ko dun sa ate ko na gusto ko mag-alaga ng isda. Tapos binila niya ako ng isda. Like, cute nila, no? Ang tagal ko na gusto mag-alaga ng isda. Pero kasi, naisip ko, hindi pa akong aquarium, tapos yung ano pa, yung nag-bubbles. Siyempre, dapat pretty yung aquarium ko. Kailangan ko ng lights and all, tsaka yung mga decorations. Parang expensive naman. Pero, may isda na ako ngayon, so, magbaback out pa ba ako? Siyempre, hindi na. So, punta kami bayan, maghanap kami ng aquarium. Kailangan na kasi nila ng tirahan. Bili din ako ng foods for them. Pero yun, anyways, aside from that, pala, magpagupit ako. Kasi ang haba na ng hair ko. Ang haba niya, oh. Gusto ko yung parang ganyan-ganyan lang. Ganun lang siya. Gusto ko mag-ukay. Kaso, kasama ko si ate nun. Hindi niya kapayagan mag-ukay. Kasama ko siya kasi lagi siyang nagreklamo. I-change ako ng outfit. Never thought I'd get this close to... Uy, makita niya yung kalat ng room ko. Fit check. Siyempre, you can never go wrong with a long skirt. Ito, favorite ko to. Alam niyo ba, sobrang gamit na siya. As in, manipis lang naman talaga siya, pero sobrang, ang pangit na niya. Parang na siyang basahan. Pero ginagamit ko pa rin siya kasi favorite ko siya. Super. Ganda ba ako, guys? Ganda ba ako? Tignan yung earrings ko. Favorite earrings ko to ever. Like, ano siya? Orange. Yung isa may balat, yung isa wala.
Good morning, mister. Good morning, sister. I've been gone for quite some time. Now you can decide if I look any older, if I stand any taller, if I've seen the sun in weeks, if my voice is deeper. See, I'm a different person.
Update sa mga isda. Grabe. Ano na? It's the next day. And, narealize ko, medyo maliit yung aquarium na nabili ko. Pero nag-check out na ako sa Shopee. Samahan niyo ako sa journey ko as a fish mom. Ay, also pala, mabili din ako ng lamp. Nakaganon dito. Yung like, nakaganon. Ching! Tapos naka-anito yung light. Kasi naka-fairy lights lang sila for now. Pero feeling ko i-keep ko din yung fairy lights kasi I'm pretty. Pero yun. Jaya? Sabi ko, bakit yung isda ay nandun lang sa ibabaw? Nandun na sila sa ibabaw ng fish, nung tank. Tapos sinerch ko, sabi, kulang daw sa oxygen.
Paano ko ba ito sasabihin? Ano bang gagawin ko? I figured na I should film this entire process of me reconstructing or fixing, organizing my business. It's February next month, and I've been doing my business Soft Jets for 3 years now, I think. And every February, yun yung pinaka-hectic na month because it's the month of love. Yun yung month na ang dami ko natatanggap na orders, pero syempre hindi ko pwedeng i-cram ang pag-crochet because that's takes so freaking long to make. Pero, ayun nga, I figured I should start now kasi medyo down and crumbles din yung soft threads ko lately. I don't know. It's just so unorganized, so messy, so hindi ko alam pag i-film kasi I thought na kapag film ko siya, magkakaroon ako ng motivation to actually do it, actually fix it, and be consistent about it. Another reason din kasi why it's so hard for me na mag-focus dito sa soft threads ko is because I have school. Hindi ako ganun kagaling sa pag-multitask. So I have a hard time focusing on 2 things at once. Kita ba ako? I need to figure out which colors to bring kasi I don't want to bring this full tin of color pencils dun sa cafe na yun. I'm gonna be bringing the sketchbook. Oh, kailangan ko din ng pencil this week. I need baby. But it's raining. Ito yung fit ko. Fit check. Woo! This is ukay. Is my sister's skirt. Is a shirt na short. And pinin ko lang siya sa likod. And this is the bag. And ginawa ko siya. Sobrang fulfilling magsuot ng creation out in public. Anyways, okay, bag grade. My sketchbook. Then I have this wash bag. And then I have my wallet. And that's it. Kailangan ko masimulan at least yung paggawa ng price list. This is the yarn situation I have right now. And most of it I tangled. And I never had the patience to untangle these yarns. I usually have Ate Mai or Mia to do it for me. So like habang nag-crochet ako, ina-untangle na yung yarns ko. But now I have to do it by myself because they're not here. Ano yun? I'm watching Kim's Convenience on Netflix. And kailangan ko tong ayusin. This is not even half of my yarns. And ang dami ko ring parating. I went a little crazy with checking out yarns the other day kasi sabi ko, I excuse myself because February na and I need a lot of yarns. So I feel like I bought more than I needed. It's a little too much. But anyways, okay, these cute little keychains of mushroom babies. Ah, so cute, right? I saw this for 80 pesos each. And may bumili sa akin. So, grabe yung mga bagay na napangarap ko. Isa to dun. And nasa kamay ko na siya ngayon. Like,
Posible pala yung mga ganung bagay. Like, hindi ko din na ba yung punto nung isa ko. Hindi talaga ako masinap na tao. Stop. Stop. Malabo. Ay,
filled out. So lost till I figured it out.
laging may kakaibang kwento sa isip ko. Yun na yun.
Unsure
Hello. Dito ako sa tabi
who I am.
sa Balari. Basta yung sa may sa may G. Hindi ko rin nabili yung favorite kong ice cream kasi wala silang stock. Wala din silang slushy.
When your life's messed up, keep on track. What's done is done now. You can't look back. Catch another train. Windows fly by.
I feel like I always have a lot of things to say. Like there's always a lot of thoughts running inside my mind. Pero I also have this crippling fear of being senseless. Parang that fear of being senseless fogs my brain out. Parang I end up not saying anything. Parang pinapressure ko yung sarili ko na matapos agad magsalita. Because I always think that they're thinking na, oh my God, nung sinasabi niya, oh my God, she's talking too much, oh my God. Wala siyang sense. Ano bang pinagsasabi nito? Ganun, like, ganun yung tumatakbo sa utak ko. And even now, I'm talking to the camera, knowing that there's a possibility na I will publicize this, and people will watch me and see me talk, and I feel like they're gonna be annoyed at me talking. It has always been a problem. I always need to shrink myself down. And I hate it. Lagi akong nahihiyang magkwento or mag-share. Pero may mga tao naman that makes me feel comfortable with sharing my thoughts. But I don't know kung saan nanggagaling yung pressure ko or yung urge ko inside me to everything that I have to say has to make sense. And it doesn't have to be that way. I don't know, bakit gustong-gusto ko maging tao na may sense? Eh, paano yun? Ano magagawa kung wala akong sense minsan? It's just me. It's me. That's me. Also, the reason why I'm making this rant is because someone shushed me. I was talking about something. It's about a movie. And I recommended it to them. And then, sabi ko, you should watch this series pala siya. You should watch this series, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. And then, pinanood nila. Tapos I got so excited because like, you're actually watching the movie that I suggested. Yung sa ini-spoil, sabi ko lang, oh, so that series parang every episode is like about sa stories ng mga buhay ng tao, ganyan, ganyan, blah, blah, blah. I got really excited and they were like, shh! I don't know for what reason. Am I talking too much? Ganun. I don't know why they did that. That's so rude. Oh my God, if you're watching this, wag kayo nagshush ng tao. That's rude. If you know a person is excited and passionate about something, let them talk about it. Let them talk about it. Don't shush them. Anyways, that made me feel wala ba akong sense? Wala bang sense yung mga pinagsasabi ko? Am I talking too much or? Pero yun. Ay, wag kayo nag-shush. Also, may nabasa din ako na parang, don't yuck someone else's yum. Siya parang, sabi niya is, kunyari, a person is talking about, again, a person talking about something they love. And hindi mo masyadong gusto yung love nila na yun. Tapos you'll be like, yuck, ang pangit naman ng taste mo. Like, yeah, bakit ganyan? Don't do that. Just listen to them. You don't have to like the things that they like. But listen to them when they talk about something that they love, that they're excited about, and that they're passionate about. Especially if there's someone that you love. That's like such a good form of love language. Listening, really listening, paying attention to what they're saying. It's 2024. Let's be nice. Let's be nice. Tay.
Hi guys, we're gonna eat pancakes with strawberries from Benguet and chocolate ice cream and iced coffee. Ano iced coffee ito today?
Sa gilid ng bigla. Wala kami yung bigla.
Wow! May sariling coffee. Anong pangalan ng coffee mo?
Pili.
Hindi masarap siya.
Ang
Mas
tapang.
matapang siya.
Ang tapang.
Ang soft naman ng pancakes ni Ate Mai.
Sana yung sa Tuyats na mga ba't may mga bigas doon? Hindi ka pa nakain?
Yan na, hintay tayo.
Ang bait mo. Oo, ka naman. Asensya ka na.
Sa akin yung ikagat ko na yan.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Ayan na.
May strawberries. Saan galing to?
Ate Liden. Kasi, pag sariling gawa ka, di ba lagyan mo siya ng baking soda? Baking soda ba na lagyan? Yung pampalsa, pampalambot. Parang hintay ka ng 30 minutes.
Para mag-alsa. Tarap. Parang kaya ko itong kainin habang buhay. Pumunta nga na ako post office na nakaraan. Saka sa PSA. Hindi nila maano yun sa akin, matrack.
Agoy! Hindi ba ako magaling sa reporting?
Brown ka, magaling pa
Oo
nga
nga.
yung mag-report eh. I mean, parang pag nag-salita ka sa harap eh, parang ang confident mo. Hindi ka confident.
Hindi, no. Naanhan mo. Nawala.
Balik mo. Nandyan lang yun. Nandyan lang siya.
Saan ka na, Bi? Kailangan na kita. Kailangan na kita, Bi.
Pero feeling ko hindi ka nag-shift.
Matigil.
Parang mas apelitin mo mag-taste dun sa program mo kaysa.
Hindi
Okay.
kaya ng pride.
Oo. Pero diba, totoo yun yung matatalino ng high school eh. Average na lang ng college. Basta dapat makasabay ka lang talaga.
Sadyang may mga angat talaga sa'yo.
Pero like, di man necessary yung rankings. Mother's Day na. Mother's Day, wala akong nanay. Ano yun? Parang natatay na ako. Na-overwhelm na yung chan ko. Hindi ako pikunin, si Mia yung pikunin.
Sabi niya kanina. Sa napipiko na action. Pikon, 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 pikon. Siya yung pikon, tapos sabi niya, pikon, pikon, pikon. Siya naman yung pikon na pikon.
Sakit? Ano lang? Hindi siya masakit sa pikon.
Wala lang kasi ako mapagtuunan ng pansin ng mga araw na yan.
Wala ka
Ngayon
kasi.
meron na.
Sino?
Si Jay Chang.
Ish.
Ang galing kumanta.
Yung totoong tao naman, te, May.
Hoy, totoong tao to! May Filipino nga nito eh. Quarter pala.
Hindi to picture video to.
Hilig mo akong videoan. Siguro napanood mo ako tuwing
Oo.
nadidepress ka.
Oo,
Yung
totoo.
happy pill.
Oo, totoo yan. Kaya sana wag ka munang mamatay.
Ano naman tuloy yung nahulog ako. Tang ina ni Marnel, pumost pa sa unahan pala yun. Hindi
Yung nag-rewatch kami ng videos kanina, yung nasa kayo na Marnel.
nahulog yung ulo ko. Pumost pala siya sa...
Man din. Tapos tinitigan ka lang niya nung nasa, yung ulo mo nasa sahig na.
Mandin, tapos yung pagkuha ay... Ang manikin ang po. Ang saya ng tawa ko. Parang masaya siyang nagaganito.
Mas-
Di lang to, pwede lang. Ako lang ha.
Hindi, masaya siya pagkasama ka kasi.
Oh, I know.
Ganun kasi yung effect mo sa tao.
Oh.
I don't know where this leads. When it gets there, I'll be free. On the slow train, it takes time. I don't mind. I'm on cloud nine.
Sa hilaw sa timog o kanluran, you're the one that never lets me sleep. Like sun that lights up my whole world. I feel warm inside. Every time I hear our music play, in my mind, I can't believe it's true.
Ganda mo!
In my heart, the reality, I know without you. Your love is like sun that lights up my whole world. I feel warm inside. Papupulis kita kasi ninakaw mo ang puso ko naman kasi kuto ka ba kasi palagi ka sa ulo ko naman kasi ako ka ba kasi I love you. Magsalita at iba ka nga kasi baka malunod ka sa pag-ibig ko. Kasi naman kasi